what's the specialty here?
Yeah, we have mee kawin, yeah, special.
Mee kawin?
Yeah.
What is mee kawin?
Mee kawin and actually is from mee and oda. We mix one.
Oh, so basically when you mix it, that's why they say they refer as mee kawin. Is that the best selling here?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much. So hot. So hot. Look at it. Right. So here I am today at the restaurant Ming Huat. So right now I have 3 plates of food over here. As you can see, all 3 looks way different from each other. This is nasi lemak from Ketupat Ujung Pasir, and this is ketupat berlauk. This plate over here is mee kawin. And right now it's breakfast time and I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna start off with my mee kawin. The name is really catchy and I really want to know, I'm sure you guys are also interested to know why mee kawin. So let's just find it out, okay? Look at how thick the gravy is. This is so nice. It has a lot of mixed flavors. I'm not surprised because they're using 2 types of gravies. One is the curry that is made of baby prawns and potatoes. And the other one is the peanut sauce. And that's how it actually got its name derived, because mee kawin actually means mee rebus, which uses the curry, is mixed with the rojak, which uses the peanut sauce. And therefore, in their own terminology, they say it's mee kawin because they married both the type of curries. And we get this beautiful and this yummy plate. So now I'm pretty sure my day is gonna get better because I'm gonna eat the best and the most favorite breakfast of Malaysians, nasi lemak. And as you can see in this plate, there's peanuts, that's veggie, chicken, sambal, and boiled egg together with the coconut rice. It's the typical Malaysian breakfast, but I don't think it's typical anymore if you come to Melaka and you don't try this. The fried chicken is really, really, really good. I'm not exaggerating about the taste because it gives a lot of different flavors, different kicks to it. Because the chicken has been marinated for 3 hours and the taste has actually well absorbed into the chicken. It's also one of the best sellers over here. The sambal, on the other hand, is not too spicy or too sweet. It's just nice for a breakfast. So let's just take another bite. And let's not miss out the veggie. The greens are very important. Take note of that, kids. Right. Good. It's really, really good. Last but not least, the third plate for my breakfast. Well, I hope you guys aren't judging me with 3 different plates and looking at the size, but hey, it's Melaka. Right. Now look at this plate. In this plate, the ketupat berlauk, you can see a lot of things. Too much going on. There is chicken rendang, there's cucumber slices, there's ketupat, curry, sambal, and coconut flakes. So let's just take a bit of everything and let's just get started with this plate. Right. Hey, come to me. It is really, really good. It's not a typical breakfast that people usually have, but it's something new and something that you wouldn't want to miss. There's a lot of flavors to it. The rendang is really nice, not too spicy, but what gives the spicy kick is the sambal that they actually provided. The coconut flakes give you a very Malaysian taste. What's Malaysians if you don't eat santan, isn't it? And the cucumbers for a bit of crisp. A wise woman has once said that feminism is not about making the woman stronger. Women are already strong. It is about changing the perception of the world against that strength. I hope all the strong women out there are inspired with our episode for today. I am Jasprit signing off from Sassy Girl. Bye guys!